Some of the rarest and most bizarre creatures have roamed or crawled across Earth, and today, we'll uncover more about these fascinating animals. From a muscular racing dog to an insect that looks like a Barbie accessory, here are 15 creatures so unique, they seem to appear only once in 1,000 years. 15. The saber-tooth tiger. The name of this long-extinct cat, Smilodon, comes from its most terrifying feature: its massive, serrated canine teeth, which could grow up to a foot long. Imagine a steak knife, but attached to a 660-pound carnivorous cat. These formidable predators likely killed their prey by stabbing them to death, using their elongated fangs like a slasher in a horror movie. Scientists believe that the saber-toothed tiger, which went extinct around 10,000 years ago, had no natural predators except humans. With its overbite that could haunt orthodontists' dreams, this ancient feline may have been hunted into extinction by our ancestors. 14. The giant wetpunga. The giant wetpunga, a massive insect resembling a flightless cricket, narrowly avoided extinction. Once found only on New Zealand's Little Barrier Island, these rare creatures faced predation from rats after humans removed the island's feral cats. The rats feasted on the wetpunga at night, while saddleback birds snacked on them during the day. Thanks to conservation efforts, the wetpunga population is slowly recovering and has been reintroduced to predator-free environments. But tampering with the food chain can be risky. Who knows if we'll be overrun by giant insects next. 13. Double-muscled whippet. Bully whippet syndrome, a rare genetic condition, can turn the normally lean whippet into a muscular powerhouse. This double muscling makes the dog look like a canine bodybuilder, but despite their impressive physique, these dogs are not cut out for racing. The extra muscle mass puts a strain on their regular-sized heart and lungs, which can lead to premature death. However, this condition has provided scientists with valuable insights into muscular dystrophy, offering hope for future medical breakthroughs. 12. The snake with legs. Ever wonder how snakes lost their legs? In 2015, a fossil discovery in Brazil revealed a 70-million-year-old snake with tiny legs, offering a glimpse into their evolutionary past. This snake, about 20 centimeters long, had small front and rear legs that scientists believe were once used for grasping prey. As snakes evolved, they gradually discarded their legs, becoming the slithering creatures we know today. 11. The Croc-buffalo. In a remote village in Thailand, a strange creature was born in 2015 that left villagers baffled. A buffalo with reptilian, scaly skin and a snout resembling a crocodile. Though the unfortunate animal died shortly after birth, locals believed it was a sign of good luck. While it's more likely that a genetic mutation caused the buffalo's unusual appearance, the creature's bizarre features were enough to stir superstitions in the village. 10. Double-headed pig. While it sounds like something out of a comic book, double-headed animals are real, and this pig born with two snouts is a rare example of a condition called diprotopis. The piglet with 3 eyes and 2 mouths caused quite a stir in its village, attracting visitors who marveled at the bizarre animal. Though rare, such conditions occur when embryos develop abnormally, leading to animals with extra body parts. 9. Glowing cats. In a surprising scientific development, glowing cats have been created as part of research into AIDS treatment. By inserting a gene that produces a fluorescent protein, scientists are able to track the genetic modifications in these cats, which glow under certain lights. The hope is that this research could lead to breakthroughs in fighting feline immunodeficiency virus and potentially HIV in humans. 8. Golden seahorses. In a curious experiment, scientists in Vietnam have successfully created seahorses infused with gold. By combining genes from light-emitting jellyfish with gold particles, they produced glittering, genetically modified seahorses. Though they might sound like something from a fantasy, these shiny creatures are real and are considered valuable as they grow. 7. The octogoat. In an Indian village, a goat was born with 8 legs, earning the nickname octogoat. Experts believe this rare occurrence was likely caused by a conjoined twin that didn't fully develop in the womb. While remarkable, animals with such mutations often struggle to survive, and only time will tell if the octogoat can beat the odds. 6. Two-headed snake discovered by two environmental scientists in New Jersey. This two-headed timber rattlesnake, named Double Dave, had fully formed heads each with functioning eyes, mouths, and tongues. Known as polycephaly, this condition often makes survival in the wild difficult, as the two heads can fight over food and direction. Despite these challenges, Double Dave remains an extraordinary find. 5. The human-faced goat. When a goat with an oddly human-like face was born in India, it caused quite a stir. Some even worshipped it, believing it to be an incarnation of a god. The goat's unusual features are caused by a condition known as cyclopia, which prevents normal facial development in the womb. Sadly, animals with this condition rarely survive. 4. The albino alligator. One of the rarest creatures in the world, albino alligators are striking with their white skin and pink eyes, caused by a lack of melanin. Fewer than 100 are known to exist. Their rarity makes them prized by hunters, and their lack of camouflage means they often don't survive in the wild, making captivity their best chance for survival. 3. One-eyed albino shark. In Indonesia, fishermen accidentally caught a pregnant shark, and when they opened her, they found a baby shark with a single eye in the center of its head. This rare condition, known as cyclopia, along with the baby shark's albinism, made it an unusual discovery. Sadly, the shark didn't survive, but it remains one of the rarest finds in marine biology. 2. Two-faced cats. Two-faced cats, or Janus cats, have a rare condition that causes them to be born with two faces. Though most don't survive long, one famous Janus cat named Frank and Louis lived for 15 years. With two mouths to feed, these cats require extra care, but their rarity makes them fascinating to animal lovers. 1. Pink grasshopper. The pink grasshopper is so rare that seeing one is considered a sign of good luck. Unlike their green counterparts, these brightly colored insects stand out in their environment, making them easy prey for predators. Though scientists aren't sure why they developed this unusual color, spotting one is like winning the lottery, a rare and extraordinary sight. These bizarre creatures feel straight out of a Ripley's Believe It or Not book, but they're very real. What do you think, believe it or not? Let me know in the comments.